Classic cheesecake usually packs over 350 calories per slice, but this one, just 93. No flour, no sugar, just protein, fiber, and a fresh lemony twist. Start by blending cottage cheese until smooth. Make sure to use dry cottage cheese. It's the key to the perfect texture. Peel your lemon to boost that fresh aroma and add a dose of vitamin C for glowing skin and healthy digestion. Add Greek yogurt, lemon juice, lemon zest, a pinch of baking soda, and a little vanilla if you'd like. Mix it all together. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and liquid stevia until light and foamy. Pour the eggs into the cottage cheese mixture and stir until silky smooth. Now add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, optional, but I love how it gives structure to the cake and adds fiber for better digestion. Let the batter sit for 10 minutes. This step is important. It helps create that ideal, final texture. Pour it into a silicone pan. Smooth out the top and bake until golden and firm in the center. Cool it completely, then chill for a few hours, or overnight if you can wait. The result? A dense, creamy lemon cake that slices perfectly. If you love light, feel-good recipes like this, hit subscribe so we stay connected. Your healthy sweet tooth friend, Karina.